In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive settings. Whether you're new to Google Drive or someone looking to make your workspace more efficient, customizing your settings is a great way to improve your experience and productivity. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your browser and heading over to drive.google.com. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, you'll see all your files and folders organized neatly. Think of this page as your personal digital office, where you can control exactly how you manage and view your data. Now, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear-shaped icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to access your Google Drive settings. It might seem small, but it's your gateway to customizing how your drive behaves. Once the drop-down menu appears, click on Settings. A new window will open, and this is where you can start tailoring your drive to suit your preferences. The first section you might notice is Appearance. Here, you can toggle between light mode and dark mode. Dark mode is great for working in low light and can help reduce eye strain, while light mode provides a clean, bright look that's easy to read during the day. Next, you'll see an option called Convert Uploads. When this setting is turned on, any files you upload, like Word documents or Excel spreadsheets, are automatically converted into Google Docs or Google Sheets format. This makes it easier to edit, share, and collaborate with others directly within Google Drive. Another useful option is offline mode. Enabling this allows you to create, open, and edit your most recent Google Docs, Sheets, and slides even without an internet connection. This is especially handy if you travel frequently or find yourself in areas with limited connectivity. Google will automatically sync your changes once you're back online. You can also check out the Show Details card on Hover feature. When activated, this displays quick information about a file or folder, such as size, last modification date, or owner, simply by hovering your mouse over it. It's a small but time-saving detail that can make browsing your drive faster and more intuitive. Additionally, explore other advanced settings like language preferences, keyboard shortcuts, or suggested files. Adjusting these can help make Google Drive feel more natural and aligned with your workflow. Once you're done making changes, click the X at the top of the window or simply close the settings panel. Your preferences will be saved automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Google Drive settings to fit your personal or professional needs. Small adjustments like these can make a big difference in how you organize, view, and manage your files every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if there's another Google Drive tip you'd like me to cover. Stay organized, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.